Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Brandenburg Gate Berlin and the AXICA Event Centre. Today we are delighted to be able to tell you that events are now going on live, and we are going to show you two types of live events that can be held at the AXICA fully in conform with the current hygiene regulations. Let's go and look inside. So it's all about your health and safety, which is why we have a carefully thought out one-way system for attendees entering the building, plus disinfectant dispensers, and plus we have our staff carefully trained to check the masks are fitted properly. So today we're going to look at how the AXICA is prepared for different types of event. Starting with the more formal AGM association approach, where the stalls can be placed with the food individually on the tables next to them. So the event is running now, but at the very beginning the presenter was very careful to explain to the guests the correct use of the masks when sitting or standing, the correct use of the disinfectant when going to the toilet, the use of the individually wrapped food parcels so that you're not coming into contact with other people, and of course to maintain social distancing at all times. Focus is very much on the content. The other type is the more informal type of event, where after the presentation they are able to visit a buffet with social distancing, individually wrapped food, if they feel happy to do so. So we are delighted today to be able to welcome guests back into the AXICA, under the correct conditions of course. But it's so nice to see people again, because don't forget, nothing can replace face to face.